Love is not a poem for my wife. Remember those days when our hearts are so young, when we thought love is just a sweet fun highway to run. But with those turns and battles, since we tied the knot, our hearts live to learn what love is not. Love is not like a dish that is best served hot. Love is when the dish is cold and you'll still eat a lot. Love is not sharing an umbrella under the scorching sun. Love is staying together when the typhoon comes. Love is not when you're amazed when her beauty is at top. Love is when you don't care about those wrinkles and fats. Love is not being with someone when all things are well. Love is holding each other, hurt, wounded, and despair. For we don't know what the future brings. It could be a nightmare or our sweetest dreams. But it won't matter if it will be easy or not, for our hearts are built for what love is not.